The Dearborn Heights City Libraries present 5 to 10 crafting series with Eileen and Venus. I'm Eileen.
And I'm Venus. Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month we will be doing a craft video.
Crafts will be available for a limited time for pickup at Dearborn Heights City Libraries and, when possible,
as a download on our website.
Now, let's get crafting.
Happy birthday, Jackie French, November 29th. This craft is a nod to her book, The Fire Wombat. This month's craft is Wombat Paper Plate Craft. Supplies from the kit: Wombat template and directions, 2 small paper plates, and 2 googly eyes. From home: cardstock or construction paper. Everything else: glue and scissors, crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Directions from kit: color the wombat's face, legs, tail, and body. Flip paper plate over to color body. Cut out the face, legs, tail, and rectangle. Glue on the googly eyes or paper eyes. Glue legs and tail, color side up, to bottom inside of white paper plate. Glue colored paper plate, color side up, to white paper plate. Fan fold rectangle and glue one end to back of wombat's head. Position head over body and glue other end to body. Directions from home: draw and color separately a wombat's head, feet, and tail. Draw and color one body, then cut out 2 of the same pieces. Cut out the face, legs, tail, and a rectangle. Draw on eyes or glue on googly or paper eyes. Glue legs and tail, color side up, to bottom inside of plain paper. Glue colored body to plain paper body. Fan fold rectangle and glue one end to back of wombat's head. Position head over body and glue other end to body. This is how we put the wombat together: paper plates, googly eyes, crayons, glue stick. I'm coloring the wombat. I'm using brown. Now I'm cutting each piece out. Here they are. Now I'm going to assemble. Oh, I need to color the plate. Just one plate. And then you glue the feet to the inside of the blank paper plate. Now you accordion fold the rectangle. See, accordion. Glue one side, attach it to the back of the face. Now we're gluing the colored plate to the legs. You need lots of glue, very difficult. See? And now attaching the tail with more glue. And the other side of the accordion, more glue. Attach it to the plate. Very difficult. And it's pop-up face. All done. Not done. I forgot to put the eyes, googly eyes. As you see, it's got regular eyes. You don't have to put on googly eyes if you don't have them or don't want to. But I decided to put the googly eyes on. Crazy little buggers, keep dropping them. And here we go. There's my wombat. Let's check in on Miss Eileen.
Our project is a wombat. You can get this on our website and print it off. It's a picture of a wombat. That's an Australian animal. And you're going to need a paper plate to do this. And you can cut out all the pieces, and there's a picture of what it's going to look like when we're done. But if we're doing it at home, we can find different things around the house that we can do it with. I have brown construction paper. I have black. I have my paper plate. I have a couple of googly eyes, although you can still draw them on if you don't have the googly eyes. I have a pencil, scissors, and glue. Let's set some of that aside. I also have a brown crayon. Now, first thing we need to do is color the paper plate. And I usually use the back side, though you can use either side. So I'm going to color. The wombat is brown, so I've got a brown crayon. And we're just going to color the paper plate brown. Okay. We have our paper plate colored brown. Now we need to make a head of a wombat. The easiest way to do that is to take a piece of paper and maybe find something round that we could use to make a round head. How about a bowl? I have a bowl here. I'm going to turn it upside down. And I've got a pencil, and I'm going to trace all the way around. So that's going to be our wombat's head. Now, our wombat on the bottom, he sort of has a little, goes up and down for his chin. And he has little ears up here. It's like little half circles. You can do that, can't you? Just like that. Don't forget, we're going to cut up here by his mouth. Follow that little half line up. There we go. Oops. If you don't follow the lines perfect, that's all right. But don't forget to go around his ears. We don't want to cut his ears off. There. You could do that. And there's our wombat's head. Okay. We're going to take some glue. We're going to put a little glue here. And we're going to put one of those googly eyes on. And then another one here. If you don't have googly eyes, you can just draw some eyes on. So now our wombat's got little eyes on them. So we need a nose. That's where we're going to take our black construction paper. And I'm just going to kind of cut a circle out. Kind of an oval shape. Just like that. And then we'll get that a little better. And we're going to put glue for his nose. And we're going to glue his nose on. I've got some crayons here. Got a red crayon. And I can draw his mouth. Just like that. You're looking pretty good. Now, our wombat needs some legs to walk on. Let's get rid of the black. And with the rest of this, let's see if we can't draw some legs. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then we got a foot and a foot here. And then go across. There's his front legs. How about his back legs? Okay. He's got kind of a knee. And another one. There's his back legs. All right. So now we need to put our wombat together. Wombat's head goes here. His legs go here and here. So let's put some glue. I think I'm going to turn it over and put some glue right on the bottom here. The other one right here. Where's the front legs go? Right here. So there's his front legs. Make sure they're sticking out so you can see them. Where's the back legs? Right here. Make sure they're walking in the same direction. There's our wombat's legs. Now, we can take and glue his head on right up here. Or if you want to be real fancy, you can take some cardstock, white cardstock, cut out a big long rectangle. You know what a rectangle is? Very long square. And then we're going to fold it like an accordion or a fan. And if you want, you can either glue his head directly to the plate, or you can glue this on back and that to there so his head pops out. I like that idea. So let me put some glue in the bottom of my fan. Put it right about there. I'm going to put some glue on here. And let's see, where does the head go? Right about there. Glue that down. So now his head pops forward and he kind of nods at you. He's looking pretty good, but I think he needs a tail. Wombats don't have very big tails. They're just like little circles. So I'm going to cut a little circle out. And then I'm going to cut little lines in it so that it looks like a fluffy tail. And put some glue on the back of that. And his tail goes right about there. So now I have a wombat. You have fun doing your wombat.
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights Library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Thanks for tuning in.